Yes, today's Keno machine hack is to use a 10 spot to change your Keno machine algorithm. This video has 3 free 10 spots. Let's check out the first one, but first, subscribe for more AI Keno numbers and Keno strategies. Okay, let's take a look at the first 10 spot. Okay, max bet is in at coin of 5. Good way to start. 5 out of 10. Excellent. You do with a bunch more of those. Just like that. Yes. And that's still with a place to go. Alrighty. Slow him down a little bit. Come on, Cleo. Let's go. Okay. 4 out of 10. We'll take that. Last play coming up. Okay. It was 140 credits for the bonus round. Let's see what got us here. Yes. It was a 5 out of 10 for a total of 170 credits. Not a bad way to start. Let's go on to our next bonus round. Okay, our Las Vegas subscribers say this G6 pattern 8 spot is very lucky. You should try it. I also added 2 lucky AI Keno numbers. Let's see how we do. But first, subscribe to the AI Keno community. Join now and start winning at Keno. Let's see how this bonus round turns out. Okay. The bet is 5, the coin is 10. Okay, 4 out of 10, we'll take it. Another 4 out of 10, cool. Cool. 6 out of 10 for 50 credits. Of course, 4 out of 10. Outstanding. 6 out of 10 for 50 credits. 5 out of 10, cool. Last play coming up. Okay, 160 credits for the bonus round. Let's see what got us here. Cool. And of course, a 4 out of 10 got us here for 165 credits. I think the G6 did good, especially with the 2 AI Keno numbers. Try it and let us know if it works for you. Let's move on to another 10 spot. Okay, AI Keno hack. Don't forget the Keno algorithm rule. Use these 10 spots to change your Keno machine algorithm. Subscribe if you want to win at Keno. Let's see how this 10 spot turns out. Bet is 1, coin is 25. No casino audio, sorry about that. Alright, 4 out of 10, we'll take that. A little bit of a slow start, what's going on here? Alright, 5 out of 10, we'll take that. Wow. Interesting, don't forget to write these Keno numbers down. Last play coming up. Okay, 8 credits for this bonus round. Let's see what got us here. Wait for it. Wait for it. Yeah. Very cool. 8 out of 10. Wow, that's really cool. For a total of 183 credits. What are you waiting for? Write this 10 spot down. Subscribe if you want to win at Keno. Beginners. AI Keno strategies, advice, hacks, and free AI Keno numbers in these 2 videos. You need to watch another video, and thanks for watching this video. All right. See you next week.